We live in an age of unprecedented technological advancement, where the boundaries of what is possible are constantly being pushed. One such advancement is quietly revolutionizing our world, the Internet of Things, or IoT. This technology is not just a trend, it's a transformative force. This interconnected web of devices promises to reshape how we live, work, and interact with our surroundings. Imagine a world where every device communicates seamlessly. From smart homes that anticipate our needs, adjusting lighting, temperature, and even brewing our morning coffee, to factories buzzing with automated efficiency, optimizing production lines and reducing waste, IoT is weaving itself into the fabric of modern life, making our daily routines more efficient and connected. But what exactly is IoT? How does it function? How do these devices communicate and share data? What are its implications for our future? How will it change industries, economies, and our personal lives? Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of the Internet of Things, exploring its potential and the endless possibilities it brings. Simply put, the Internet of Things refers to the vast network of physical objects, things, embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies. These things can connect and exchange data with each other and with us, creating a seamless web of information and action. Imagine your refrigerator ordering groceries online when supplies run low, or your car alerting you to potential traffic jams and suggesting alternate routes. These are just glimpses of how IoT is transforming everyday objects into intelligent, interconnected systems. At its core, the Internet of Things, or IoT, operates on a simple yet incredibly powerful principle: collect data, analyze it, and act upon it. This seemingly straightforward process is what makes IoT so transformative in various industries. This process unfolds through a vast network of interconnected components, each playing a crucial role in the IoT ecosystem. These components work in harmony to ensure seamless data flow and real-time responses. First, sensors and devices collect data from the environment. These sensors can measure anything from temperature and humidity to motion and light, depending on the application. This data is then transmitted wirelessly to a central hub or cloud platform. The transmission can occur through various communication protocols like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or even cellular networks. Powerful algorithms then analyze this data, extracting meaningful insights and triggering specific actions. These algorithms can detect patterns, predict trends, and even make decisions autonomously. Finally, these actions are relayed back to the devices or presented to us through user interfaces, completing the IoT loop. This feedback loop ensures that the system is constantly learning and adapting, making IoT a dynamic and evolving technology. Sensing the world sensors and devices. Sensors are the eyes and ears of the Internet of Things, capturing a wealth of information about the physical world. From temperature and humidity to location and motion, these tiny devices gather data that would otherwise remain hidden. Think of a fitness tracker monitoring your heart rate and sleep patterns, or a smart thermostat adjusting the temperature based on your preferences and the weather outside. These sensors act as the sensory organs of the Internet of Things, feeding vital information into the network. Connecting the dots. IoT connectivity. For the Internet of Things to function properly, these devices need to communicate effectively. This is where connectivity truly comes into play. Various technologies enable this communication, each with its own strengths and limitations. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are commonly used for short-range communication, while cellular networks and satellite connections extend the reach of the Internet of Things over longer distances. Choosing the right connectivity option depends on factors like data volume, power consumption, and range requirements. Making sense of data processing and analysis. Raw data collected by sensors is meaningless without the ability to process and analyze it. This is where the true power of the Internet of Things lies. Sophisticated algorithms sift through vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, making predictions, and generating actionable insights. Imagine a farmer using Internet of Things sensors to monitor soil conditions and crop health in real time. By analyzing this data, the farmer can optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, leading to higher yields and reduced environmental impact. The human touch user interfaces in the Internet of Things. User interfaces are the crucial touchpoints where humans interact with the vast and intricate world of IoT. While most Internet of Things operations happen behind the scenes, user interfaces bridge the gap between the technology and us. They translate complex data and processes into understandable and actionable insights. These interfaces can be as simple as a mobile app displaying data from your smart home, or as complex as a dashboard monitoring an entire industrial facility. Each interface is designed to cater to specific needs, whether it's for personal convenience or industrial efficiency. The key is to present information clearly and intuitively, empowering users to interact with the Internet of Things ecosystem effortlessly. A well-crafted interface ensures that users can make informed decisions quickly and with confidence. A well-designed user interface can make the difference between a seamless experience and a frustrating one. It can enhance user satisfaction, increase productivity, and ultimately determine the success of an IoT solution.